If you want to know how she was able to lay this beautiful frontal on her head, definitely you need to watch this video. Welcome back, guys. For those of you ladies that install your frontals by yourself, how easy it is for you people, because me, I'm not finding it easy. Even as a hairstylist, I'm not finding it easy because it's stressful, especially when you are doing it by yourself, like this pretty lady here that is doing it by herself. She's trying. When we see somebody that is hardworking and creative, we should give the person his or her flowers, because if it is not creativity and being smart, what is it? What is this? Installing her own frontal by herself. Wow. Even though they have caught it already, that means maybe it had already used wig or something, but even as that, it is not easy. So if you don't know how to install your frontal, definitely if you calm down and watch this video, I'm sure you will learn one or two on how to do your frontal by yourself, because she really calmed down to show us all the procedures. So after the installing and everything, she went ahead to stretch it out, and wow, look at the outcome of this beautiful frontal. It came out very neat and beautiful. Thanks for watching. Bye.